Hello friends, it's me from Nature and Ordinary, No More. I hope you all are aware of ants. Yeah, these are the tiny, small organisms present around us everywhere inside the home or outside the home. We can find the ants. Ants have superhuman strength. They are more hardworking than us. Even they lack many of the muscles. They work more than us. We can't think of them also. Ants lack lungs, but it doesn't mean that they doesn't respire or they live without respiring. They have tiny holes that are present on the sides of their body which help them to respire. Even they lack ears, but it also doesn't mean that they can't hear. They are not deaf. They can feel the vibrations. Through that, they can sense that danger is near them or not. Ants use vibrations to hear by picking them in subgenual organ which is located below the knee. There are more than 12,000 species of ants and we don't know each of them. Our world is only limited to two kinds of ant that we say in Hindi, Kali Cheeti and Lal Cheeti. Now you might be thinking how these ants reproduce. Some ants have taken to reproduce via cloning. Queen ants copy themselves to genetically produce daughters, resulting in a colony with no male ants. Rather than going down the old traditional route of reproduction, they have chosen this path. You might be astonished to know that black and wood ants have no stings, so they can't bite us. Ants can lift 50 times its own body and they have two stomachs. Not because they are greedy. The one stomach is for their own consumption of food and the second one is to hold food to be shared with the other ants. And this process is known as trophallaxis and allows an ant colony to work extremely efficiently. It's very interesting to know that ants lack many of the muscles like lungs and ears, still they work hard than us. We can say that we are lazy, but it's not like that we are lazy. Ants are made to be like that only. Ants came on the earth during dinosaur period. They came around 130 million years ago and they survived during the Cretaceous period that killed dinosaur and ice age. Ants are the longest living insects. Their lifespan is from 15 to 30 years. Now, I am also in a thought that what do these tiny organisms do around 30 years of life? I hope this video will let you learn more about the ants. Thank you for watching the video till end. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and comment on it.